This is Activity 3.4 on page 74, Comparing and Merging Document Changes. The file we'll be working with is BW Revised Fact Sheet. So we have Word running. We have reviewed the markup in SSTH Review Fact Sheet and have saved the revised document as My Review Fact Sheet version 2. You have already incorporated feedback to the fact sheet provided to you through Word's Track Change feature, and you have saved the updated fact sheet as My Revised Fact Sheet version 2. Now another reviewer has provided you with a copy of the fact sheet document that he revised, which is titled BW Revised Fact Sheet. Unfortunately, he made the changes without activating Track Changes. You can't use Track Changes to see what he changed, but you can use Word's Compare feature to compare his document to yours and choose which of his changes you'd like to incorporate into your document. Number 1, compare your document with a separate revised document. Without opening any documents yet, we're going to go up to our Review tab on our ribbon. And in our Compare group, we're going to select the Compare drop-down. From this drop-down, we're going to choose the first option of Compare. And this opens up the Compare Documents dialog box. From the Original Document drop-down, we're going to select My Review Fact Sheet version 2. Make sure you're selecting the correct file. So that should be in your drop-down because we just recently opened it. And then in the revised document section, we're going to hit our Browse button. So that's this little folder icon. We're going to choose that, and it should take you to your Collaborating on Documents folder. From this folder, we want to select BW Revised Fact Sheet. Click that and select Open. And this will return you to your Compare Documents dialog box with that file listed in the Revised Documents section. Number 2, compare the documents. We're going to select our More button to display additional comparison settings. And in the Show Changes section, under Show Changes In, we want to select Revised Document. So that's in this section right down here. We're going to select Revised Document and click OK. So now we should see the compared document, which is listed here in this pane. Then we have the original document is shown in my upper right quadrant, and then the revised document is in the lower right section. If you see only one document, then you want to go up to your Review tab in your Compare group, Compare drop-down, go to Compare, and you want to select Show Source Document. Mine's not going to have this because I already am showing it. But if you only happen to see one document here, go through those steps. Again, Compare, drop down, select the Compare command, and then Show Source Documents and show both. All right, now we're going to go up to our Tracking group, and in the Display for Review drop-down, you want to make sure that all markup is selected. Examine the screen layout. The Compared Document pane shows the original fact sheet, which is My Review Fact Sheet version 2. So again, that's right here. And then and this is with revisions added in from the revised document of the BW Revised Fact Sheet. Revisions are shown as if the Track Changes feature had been used. For your reference, the original and revised documents are shown in smaller panes on the right side of the screen. Okay, and then this shows the revisions as if the track changes had been made in that BW revised. So we're going to accept or reject changes on our Review tab in our Changes group. We're going to select our Next command. And the first change in the document, which is the deletion of shop, donate, or volunteer at, is going to be highlighted. So that was the first change that is shown through those compared documents. We're going to reject this change. So in our Changes group, we're going to select the Reject command, not the drop-down. And it automatically brings us to our next change, which is the addition of contribute to. Now, since we didn't delete this, we don't want to add this, so we're going to reject this as well. Now in the Changes group, select the arrow beneath Accept, and we're going to accept the rest of the changes. And then we're going to do a Save As on our file. You can actually close your revisions pane as well. I'm going to go to File, Save As, save to my current folder, Collaborating on Documents. And we're going to name this My Final Fact Sheet. Click Save. And we can close all open files from here. And you can also exit Word since this is the last activity in Lesson 3.